Let's talk about the concept of inheritance in Kotlin. So, what is inheritance? As you have read about the previous languages like Java, C++, inheritance is the most important concept. Let's read about it. So, what is inheritance? Kotlin enables inheritance. You can define a new class that is derived from an already existing class. The new class is referred to as the subclass or derived class, and the old class is called the superclass or base class. The subclass can add properties in addition to inheriting all the superclass attribute and functionality. One of the most more crucial aspect of object-oriented programming is inheritance. Code reusability is made possible by inheritance, which enables a new class, which is derived class, to inherit every feature from an existing class, which is base class. Furthermore, the derived class has the ability to add additional feature of its own. It is a syntax of inheritance: open class, base class. Next is class, derived class, extend the base class. As you can see, this is the syntax of inheritance. Let's understand it by giving one example. Let's open the IntelliJ IDEA. Let's create new class, new Kotlin class, and I will name it as parent class. This is our base class, or we can say base class or super class. Okay. Now it can have fields as well as functions. Let's take one field name, val name. I will assign it to my name, which is JG Aroda. Now let's create one function, fun a, and print some message over there. Println. This is the parent class. Okay. Here I click create second class, class child class, char extend parent. As you can see, the classes are final by default in Kotlin. So in order to make the class visibility on, we have to mark the open keyword before the class name, open. Now you can see the error has gone. Now let's create one another function inside the child class, fun b. Now here print one message, println inside the child class. Okay. Now create the main function. Come outside the class, create the main function over there. Fun main. Now val, create the object of the base class. This is our derived class, or we can say subclass. Okay. Now create the object of the subclass, val c I and child class. By using the object of a child class, call the variable name. Let's close this message. Println C dot name, again println, no need to write the println over here. C dot function name A, now C dot B. Here you can see by creating the object of the child class, we are able to access the field of the parent class as well. The child class having its own property can also add the properties of its parent class. Let's run it. As you can see, I'm getting the output. First, my name. Next, this is the parent class, and inside the child class. Now we can also have more than two subclasses. Let's create another child class. Class child class 2, and it will extend the child class 1. Here it is. Here it is. What error am I getting? Yes, as you can see, the classes are final in Kotlin by default. To make it visible, I have to mark open keyword before the class. Open. Now you can see the error has gone. Now let's create one function over there. Fun C, and here I will print some message println inside the second child class. Now I have to create the object only of the second child class, not the first class. Here I will change the object name to child class 2. Now by using the object of this class, I can directly call C dot C. Now let's run it. As you can see, I am getting the output. First the name, second the parent class as the B function is called. Now the inside the child class, the next output I am getting inside the second child class. Okay, hope you understand. The concept of inheritance is very easy to understand by this example.